guys, I am Duran Franco from BSA STEM 1C. Ang napili ko po speech is How to Move On. Let's start. Okay. Love is never wrong when someone comes into your life who allows you the opportunity to experience love that is always a true gift. Part of the maturity, however, is recognizing that love by itself. It's always aims to make a relation worth many other factors and circumstances such as timing, incompatible values are the choice to make play a significant role in whether a relationship can thrive, but moving on from a ending the love you feel someone the only way to let go. It's to love someone. It's to want the best for him or her. If what means to being together. There are many forms of love, and it's as the capacity to shift love evolves and change over time. Let's do romantic. Romantic love sold into a different type of love that encompasses crying and compassion for a person who an important place in your life. The relation we have in life lasts forever, lasts into our memories, and the feelings we have, we think of them, and in who we have became of them, and the lesson we take from them. So yun guys, tapos na. Kung meron pa kayong mahal na ex, huwag nyo nang balikan. Okay? Banda sa uli, let's go. Thank you.